In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Slack workspace. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now let's dive right in. First, the process begins with opening your web browser. You need to navigate over to slack.com. Once there, you'll want to log into your account. If you're already signed in, that's great. Just make sure you're accessing the workspace that you want to delete. After you're logged in, look for your profile icon or the workspace name, usually located in the top left corner of your screen. When you click on that, a drop-down menu will pop up showing various options. This is where we can access the settings for your workspace. Next, you should see an option labeled Tools and Settings. Go ahead and click on that. Once you're in the Tools and Settings menu, you will want to select Workspace Settings. This will redirect you to a new page that's dedicated to managing the settings for your workspace. As the Settings page loads, scroll down until you reach the bottom of the Administration section. Here, you'll find a very important option, Delete Workspace. This is what we're looking for, the option to permanently delete your Slack workspace. Before you make any hasty decisions, it's important to carefully review the warning prompts that Slack provides. Deleting a workspace is a big step. This action is irreversible, and it will wipe out all your messages, files, and any lingering data from Slack's servers. If you're sure about your decision, follow the prompts for the final confirmation. Once you've read through everything and are ready to proceed, go ahead and confirm your choice to permanently delete the workspace. Just remember, this is a permanent action and can't be undone. Deleting a Slack workspace can be a necessary action if you've finished a project or if the workspace is no longer needed. When you confirm this action, it ensures that all sensitive information and data are comprehensively removed, which is a responsible step to take for both personal and professional data management. And that's it. You've now deleted your Slack workspace. Just to recap, we opened Slack, navigated through the settings, found the delete option, and confirmed our decision. It's a straightforward process, but always be mindful when making such changes. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. And don't forget to like this video and